Tired of being stuck with a low credit score and missing out on the good things in life? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to use KOHO to unlock your credit potential and finally build the credit you deserve in just a few simple steps. First, let's find the credit building section. Tap on More and then select Credit Building. KOHO offers a few really cool tools. The first of which is the Credit Building account. It's like a regular spending account, but KOHO reports your on-time payments to the credit bureaus. To get started, link your bank account and set up automatic payments. This is crucial for on-time payments, which are the biggest factor in building your credit score. Turn on payment reminders so you never miss it. Next, consider KOHO's secured credit building line of credit. You fund it with your own money, which they hold as collateral. And then you can use that line of credit and they report your payments to the credit bureaus. This is amazing if you're just starting out and can't get approved for a regular credit card. The key is to use your KOHO card responsibly. Make small purchases, like your daily coffee, and pay them off on time. Every time, don't overspend, and always stay within your credit limit. Here are some important tips to always keep in mind. First, on-time payments are non-negotiable. Second, keep your spending low to show responsible credit management. Finally, regularly track your progress within the KOHO app to see your credit score improve over time. And that's it. With KOHO, building credit can be simple and straightforward. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. And subscribe for more tips on mastering your finances. Use my referral link in the description to download the app and start your journey to a better credit score today.